Hello friends, hope you're fine. Today I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 4, page number 37, and today's topic is contractions. Here it's written, see, can't is a short way of writing cannot. I'll is a short way of writing I will. These shortened forms are called contractions. Now see how the word would is used in contractions. Like I would, I'd, she would, she'd, you would, you'd, we would, he would, he would, they would, they would. We will follow this thing to do the following exercises. Let's start a number exercise. What is written here? See, in this place, it's written, in each sentence, write a contraction in place of the words in bold type. Here, see, the police said they would be glad of the information. What we should do here, replace of they would, we will write they, just will add d, they would. Now next one, see here, this will be two number, this is 1, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here our teacher asked us if we would like to have a concert. Here we would, what we will do here, replace of it, we will just we, then apostrophe d. Here you can help from this place. See, would, we would. So next one, I think you would be interested in this book. So easy, you would, then apostrophe d. Next one, phone number, dad said he would give me a football next week. Here dad said he would, what we should do here, just cut it, he, then apostrophe d. 5 number, mom promised she would help me to swim. Here she, apostrophe d, she would. Okay. Next one, 6 number, the doctor told me I would be better in a few days. Here what should I do? Here we'll cut it, then I would be better in few days. Now this is B number exercise. We are going to do this one. B number, write the contractions for the following. There are many, but these are so easy. Let's start. I am, what we will do, we can write I, then apostrophe M. You have this one, you, then what should we do? This one. Okay. 3 number, she is, what should we do? She, then apostrophe s. Then will not, what we can write? Will not, we can write won't. He would, we know this, he, then d. Do not, it will be do not, what will do? Don't, then apostrophe 3, don't. They are, this is also so easy, it will be they are. Shall not, what we can write? Shall not we can write shan't. We have this way, it is, we can write it, then apostrophe s. Have not, we can write haven't, have, then apostrophe t. She will, here just she, then apostrophe double l. I would, then what, then just d. Next one, 14 number, we are, we can write we, then are, we are not. 15 number, it will be aren't, then 16, you are, you were, we can write you, apostrophe R. You are. Next, we would. We, then what? D. They have. It will be they have. Cannot. We can write can't. Then they will. We can write they will. Now see number. Write the words for which the contractions stand. One number. I can't forget that I'm bereft of all the pleasant sights they see. The Pied Piper of Hamelian. So what should we do? Here, replace of I can't, what we should write? We should write cannot. And here we will write I am. Okay. Next one, see. To number. Said Francis, then faith, gentlemen, were better here than there. The glove of the alliance. In this sentence, which one will be corrected? We know this one. Replace of where, we will write this way. We, then are. Next one, 3 number. The old sage said you are as sound as a nut. The enchanted shirt. So replace of this one, we will write here you, then what? Are. You are. Phone number, last one here. Outspoke a wife. We have beds at home. We will burn them for a light. The wives of Brixham. Here what we should do? Here replace of we have. We will write what? We have. Then replace of we will write what? We will. We can write this one here. We, then will. Today I have done page number 37 from Junior English Book 4, and today we have got the topic, that is contractions. Next day we will do page number 38, and there the topic what we will get, that one is antonyms, opposites. Bye for today.